Hi, my name is Dima. I am a volunteer at Open Longevity, a data scientist and the creator of the Knowledge Map project. My task for the hackathon Agentic AI Against Aging is Aging Theories from Compute Age. Goal to collect the full text of scientific articles on the theories of aging. For each article, answer 9 questions from the assignment to select good articles to create a good theory of aging. At the output, we should get 3 tables that meet the requirements of the task. You can see them on the screen. There is assignment questions. You can see them on the screen. The idea of solving the problem, select the models that best cope with the 5 prime questions provided to verify the model and obtain the F1 score metric. The best model turned out to be PubMed BERT with a metric of 55.47% compared to the random model baseline with metric F1 for 9.26%. The difference is 6.21%. With the best model, you can implement a pipeline from downloading full text of articles to answering questions with the model and adding information to tables. Then iteratively improve the quality metric by selecting an even better model, promptings, and also by annotating. And you can see stack on the screen. It is the best model. The services should be launched in turn on the after the other. If you have any questions, you can contact me via my Discord or Telegram. Thank you.